Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to enable one-handed mode on Xiaomi Mix Flip. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll till you see additional settings. Now go into one-handed mode. And as you can see, it has been enabled. Now to activate it, just simply pull from the bottom of your screen to even more bottom. So maybe I'll try from here. By swiping the full screen indicator. The indicator is hidden, so you'll have to now go into display and brightness, and you will have to enable indicator. So maybe I'll just search for indicator in the okay. Now you can so you'll have to go into system navigation, or just here you can disable it, and now pull it to the bottom of your screen. Like, why doesn't it work? Oh, I activated it, so it's pretty hard to accomplish that. I don't know what happened now. Okay, it's pretty hard to accomplish, but you can do it if you try really hard. Yeah, it has to be like more slow gesture with not a lot of distance actually. So just like okay. And now if you would like to go back from the one-handed mode, you can just tap either on this area or just pull back up. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.